Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G06 Power, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to take a look at this option bar at the top. Then let's tap on the settings icon and go to languages, which is at the top. Then tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So you can either scroll and try to find it, or simply tap on Search a Language and enter the name of the language which you'd like to apply. Let's simply tap on it after finding, and now you can choose the keyboard layout. So just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked like here, and then tap on Done. As you can see, the language has been immediately applied to this list where we've got all the keyboards and layouts which we are using listed. And before I'll show you how to remove the previous language, or basically the language from here, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we've got a new icon which is called a globe icon. Here we've got, of course, the hint or the instruction of how to use it. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on this icon to change the layout. Now, right now we've got the Urdu one, and after tapping on it again, we've got English. We can, of course, remove the language if you wish, just by tapping on the settings icon again, tap on the languages, and here tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now mark the language which you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and here we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.